The Philadelphia experiment, fact or myth? In 1943, a secret experiment allegedly conducted by the U.S. Navy became one of the biggest conspiracy theories discussed for years. Known as the Philadelphia experiment, it involves frightening claims of a warship being made completely invisible and even teleported. But did it really happen, or was it just an urban legend? Let's examine this mysterious event in detail. The Philadelphia experiment is based on the claim that during the Second World War, the United States developed secret technologies to evade enemy radar. According to rumors, the experiment used Albert Einstein's unified field theory to create powerful electromagnetic fields that made the warship USS Eldridge invisible by bending light and radio waves. But the allegations went beyond that. According to the accounts, on October 28, 1943, a dense green-blue fog surrounded the USS Eldridge at the shipyard in Philadelphia. Within seconds, the ship became completely invisible, and within seconds it appeared in Norfolk, Virginia, 600 kilometers away. After a few minutes there, it returned again to Philadelphia. But the most frightening allegations concern the effects of the experiment on the crew. According to witness accounts, some sailors were found buried in the ship's metal structure. Others lost their minds, and some were never seen again. So how did this story come about? Information about the Philadelphia experiment first came to light in 1955, when a man named Carl Allen sent letters to scientist Morris Jessup. Allen claimed that the experiment was real, and that some sailors had described their experiences. However, the U.S. Navy released documents stating that such an experiment never took place, and that the USS Eldridge was not even in Philadelphia. Some researchers suggest that the Philadelphia experiment was actually a misunderstood process of degaussing or magnetic erasure. This technique reduced a ship's magnetic field, protecting it from enemy mines, but had no effect on making a ship invisible. Another theory says that the Philadelphia experiment is a conspiracy theory and has been exaggerated over time into an urban legend. But is such a thing scientifically possible? Einstein's unified field theory was an attempt to unify electromagnetism and gravity, but it was not complete. Even with today's physics, it seems impossible to make a ship completely invisible by bending light. Furthermore, the energy level required to beam a ship from one point to another is far beyond today's technology. In the end, the Philadelphia experiment remains a great mystery. Did it really happen, or is it just a misunderstood scientific event? Perhaps it is a story that has been exaggerated over time. But one thing we do know, the human mind will always be curious about the unknown. What do you think? Could the Philadelphia experiment have really happened? Share it with us in the comments.